Okay, so I have a cute little program here. We're still talking about the for loop. I have a countdown. You can see the numbers counting down. This is a rocket ship launch, and we are about to blast off. There it is. Okay, so let me show you the code. It's a short program, and basically I am using a for loop, but I am counting backwards through the loop. And with every iteration of the loop, I am printing the value of the loop counter. So here I'm looking at our essentials again. Here's the loop counter. I've called it count. And I've started it at 10. Okay, you can start counting anywhere, all right? In this case, I started counting 10. The loop condition is we're going to keep looping while count is greater than or equal to 1. So that'll take me down to counting down to 1. All right. And we are decrementing, that's important, instead of incrementing. So again, that you're just counting backwards, counting down from 10 to 1. We've set it all up in the loop header. And then for the output, I'm really just printing the value of count with each iteration of the loop. Count starts at 10, then it goes down to 9, and then 8, and so on. And with every iteration, I am printing that value. So that's the effect that we get. We get the a countdown, okay? I also use this sleep function here. Let me show you what happens if I don't use that. The program will just run so quickly. There's like no suspense. It's not like a real countdown. So that's a, that I had to include a header file for that. I had to look this up on the internet. The Online GDB is a Linux-based compiler. And so that function, the sleep function, it's not a C++ function. Like, it's not in the C++ standard library, like some of these things we use, cout, endel, set precision, those all come with C++. The sleep function does not, but every operating system should have something like that. And Linux is no exception. We have the sleep function in Linux. And so I had to go searching on the internet to find out what header file to include to be able to use that function within my C++ program. So that's all that's about. It's not, you don't have to care about that. Anyway, so that's our rocket ship program.